Today, we're going to be shooting my potato gun with this half-inch trailer hitch ball. I think it's half-inch, it might not be. That's a good guess. Anyway, at that tree right there, it's rotten, and we'll see what happens. I'd also like to point out that the police station is over yonder, probably about 100 feet, and over there is South Porcupine Pentecostal. So there's not a whole lot of room for error, but I mean, that's fine, you know. Okay. I bet nothing's gonna happen.
Oh no, I can't block my ears.
Uh-oh. This is such a bad idea. Such a bad idea. Terrible
Famous
idea.
last words.
This is such a bad idea. Such a bad idea. Famous last words.
My goodness, there's sawdust flying everywhere. This, oh, we ripped the tree apart.
We should leave.
This is amazing. Okay, we flee that way. Sounds good? Okay, let's go.